Do you rent in Illinois? Illinois has one of the highest number of apartment residents in the country. From Bloomington to Rockford, effective coverage provides affordable renter's insurance to protect the residents of Illinois. Effective coverage has a long and storied history of going above and beyond to provide superior coverage. The one thing the team at Effective Coverage is committed to doing is helping the 1.5 million renters in Illinois get affordable renter's insurance. The scary part is, even though there's a theft of property in Illinois every 95 seconds, over 60% of the renters do not have insurance. And let's not forget that a natural disaster or fire could occur at any moment. Remember the Great Chicago Fire that happened in the summer of 1871? That means even back then, renters just like you were coming home to a catastrophe, potentially with no protection. Effective Coverage does everything in our power to change that. Across the state, Effective Coverage protects tenants and ensures they can survive nearly any crisis. The good news is that unlike most things in Illinois, renter's insurance is very affordable. While the average policy, according to the Insurance Information Institute, is going to run $176 a year, policies sold by Effective Coverage could cost less. Renter's insurance costs pennies a day to insure your personal belongings, and that would amount to thousands of dollars of coverage. Illinois is an amazing place. One look at the river cutting through the heart of Chicago and you know that this is a special city. But you still need renter's insurance to protect yourself from catastrophes. Illinois renter's insurance comes with many different coverages, but they can be boiled down to three main groups. The first is your personal liability insurance. This is the part that protects you should you cause bodily injury or property damage to another. Let's say you caused a fire. You left a stove unattended and caused one of the nearly 200,000 cooking fires that occur every year. Even if you live in a smaller city like Springfield, Illinois, people will still hold you responsible for your actions. This policy will pay to defend you and pay for the damages that you cause other tenants and even the building owner. Next, your personal property coverage. Things like your furniture, clothing, and electronics would all have to be replaced in the event of a fire. Unexpected events like a fire could easily run north of $15,000. These policies in Illinois will be there to protect you should your property have to be replaced. Now, the last piece of coverage on your renter's insurance policy is loss of use. This part of the policy will pay for you to stay in a hotel after a covered loss. You do not want to have to pay for that hotel in Chicago. It's not hard to see, looking down the avenue, why hotels easily cost upwards of $250 a night. But you need loss of use coverage on your renter's insurance policy, which will pay for that hotel in Chicago after a covered loss. Now here's the good news. You can have all the insurance you need within minutes from right now. There's only one full-service insurance provider in the country dedicated specifically to renters, and that's Effective Coverage. Give us a call and speak with one of our insurance experts for renters and visit our website. Purchase your policy right there. Thanks for watching Effective Coverage for Renters.